or how is this related to those data that we will be having, no? This one, sample size calculator. I'll show that to you later on, okay? So we go here now, and then this one actually, no? This one. So if a lot of you will be actually just going into that survey, you survey those students, grade 10, napaka-convenient, no? Okay, where are you there, no? Okay, are you this, no? Non-probability sampling is for qualitative and quantitative data. So drop the qualitative, I think, no? But later on, no, qualitative will be part. Let me discuss that. Okay, so quantitative, more of quantitative. Okay, convenient sample. Of course, it's convenient for you, no? Okay, purposive. Check the scriver, no? If it's actually, what do you call this one? By a chance, no? You might be, uh, you might be applying this in your research. Purposive and snowball might be. No, snowball kasi it's some other people, no? That that if your sample is grade 10, of course, there's no way that it's a snowball, okay? So did everybody read this? Okay, if not in the Scriber, this is Scriber, huh? Okay, so if you want to go there in the Scriber, just click this, no? Open, okay, this one, this part, open, hyperlink, no? Okay, where am I heading, no? Will I be surveying grade 10? Okay, and then is it really convenient something that I'm going to be actually applying, no? Okay, that is the question dapat. Okay? So that will, mahina ang internet. Okay, that will go there and will remind you, no? What's happening there. Okay? What kind of sampling method will you be doing, no? Remember, sample, no, came from the word sampling came from the word sample, no? Out of the population, you have the sample and sample frame. And then the sampling, it's really the method. Okay? Where are you there, no? Okay. Are you systematic? Okay. You check, no? The definition of those clusters, certified, blah, blah, might be that this is a combination also, no? You might become binding the two, probability and non-probability, because your sampling is systematic and combination of convenience. Okay, that's easy. Let's go now. Link to sampling methods, you can open that, no? And then let's go now. Data collection methods. No? There are
Sir,
methods wherein, hello?
sir, hindi po kayo naka-share screen.
Ay, my goodness. Okay, kanina akala ko na screen. Okay, hold on. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita rito. Aliyah, thank you. Yung iba, walang concern, no? Okay, so again, no? If I'm clear a while ago to you, my voice, okay. Ito siya, no? Nandito pa lang tayo sa research design. We are still here in the research design, and so far, I'm discussing about this, no? Okay, if you heard me saying about those, no? Sample size calculator, it will be, no, applied soon, okay, in our data, para hindi kayo, ano yung ibig sabihin nun, no? I do understand the calculator. It's there. You can compute it, but what is the meaning of that in terms of the data? I'll explain that to you later on. And there's something also, no, I discussed this to you, okay? So you might be combining convenience sample with systematic. It's up to you, no? Check on it, okay? Probability something, and then, as I told you, if you want to actually uh, draft now, no? Where will you be and what sampling method will you be using, no? These sampling methods, there's a lot there. It's 4, no? Or it's 8 combinations of those. It's up to you, no? You go to the definition, click here, no? If you click that, it gives you the hyperlink, and then you go to this, of course, the Scriber, no? And then what else? We go now to Okay, the collection methods, no? Obviously, all are not going to the section. So where is that section that we're going to, no? To make the survey. No, there's no survey physically, no? It's a questionnaire. So this method is sometimes we call it, let's have it E, no? It's e-survey now. Okay? Let's modify it because I'm reading also, no? The latest research that it is called now e-survey methods, no? Because there is a physical, no? If there is no E there, then it's not online. Okay? Remember that survey methods can be done also face to face. So what are you doing? Are you do are you doing the questionnaire or the interview? A lot are here, no questionnaires. And these others, it's up to you, no? If you can do number two and three, good, no? Secondary, about the secondary data. Secondary data, I was thinking, no? Okay, if you will, I think that you will be the pioneer. Okay, because I'm organizing this, no? That is why I am asking you to actually share it with the Google Drive because we'll keep intact those files of yours there, no? And next here it will be followed up, no? There is a follow up. There is a follow up that will be made by grade 9, no? These are your studies, but they're going to be actually making a follow up of your study, no? So that's why you will be the pioneer in having this. Like for instance, the secondary data. Do you have the secondary data? I think there is none, no? Why? Because how can we actually? There's no library of this one. No? This research or this baby thesis that we have had last year, we don't have this one, no? Okay, we do not have the library of this one. That's why, if you are to refer to a secondary data, there is none, no? We cannot give you. Like I can give you only that AB's work and Ram's work, no? It's about so simple, but no one is actually talking about that podcast. Okay. So your secondary data, by the way, will be just the related literature, no? Related literature. Even if it's not saying about grade 10, if you cannot search about grade 10, sige, search about the other level, no? You can actually use those secondary data, okay? The related literature. Get some data there, no? Okay. So that's short. And then let's go here. Question, design methods, question types. Lakihan ko niya pala to. Hold on. Okay. So we're actually creating a questionnaire, no? This one. And then you have, sige, puntahan natin yung mga magagaling at tuwan ako. Puntahan natin sila Anna Faith, no? Dahil yung sa kanila is the ideal, no? Okay, if you're not doing it, I'm sorry. Wala kayong grade talaga, no? The proper way. Okay, let's go here, no? Are you answering the Google form I sent? Okay, tingnan mo. Tinype ko na ayaw pa rin. Hold on. Okay, if you do not have this, mind you, no, you do not have grade. Okay? Okay, how can I monitor your works if I do not see this one, no? Ang tagal, no? Okay, so computer actually works hand in hand, no? Computer and the internet. I think pinovirus ako. That is why. So how can I actually give you grade if I do not see these ones, no? If I ask you to do the draft methodology, you're not doing it, no? Okay, why? Because this methodology drafter is so related to your Google form, no? The others are enjoying it, no? The others, the others are. I am teaching 6 years now, and this thesis is 5 years already. I'm only teaching as organized as this now to you, no? Okay, the school year before I didn't do this. That's why I pity you if you do not use the Excel because it's a guide really, no? Especially for your questions. Okay? It's a guide. Kung hindi nyo talaga ginagamit yan, I do not know, no? What do you have in mind and you are not using it? It's so easy, no? Okay, nasaan na ba yun? Okay, so it's not talaga. Siguro I need to go home to Pasig. Okay, I need to go home to Pasig to actually, uh, wala. Mahina talaga. Pahiram, paano nito? Okay, technical aspect sometimes, no, happens. Okay, sorry, I'm here now. I'm here. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, let's have this one, no? Hiniram ko yung laptop ng bata. Okay, let's go here. Sorry po. Do you hear me? Yes, okay, sige. Sorry. You see this one, no? I'm going to be actually, I'll show you, no, the flow or the real picture of the Google form. Why do we need a Google form, no? And what is that Google form gathering? It's actually a collection method, no? So we have a questionnaire as part, I'm sorry, the Google form as uh, your questionnaire, no? The e-survey method. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the part wherein Anna Faith. Sige, punta tayo dito. Mas mabilis to. Saan na? Oh, okay. So again, no, if you do not have this, you do not have any performance in math. I do not care about English, no, how uh, Pastor monitors your work, no. For me, I monitor your work based on this one. Did you get that? Okay? So this one really matters. Ito po. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Okay, this one. Okay. So again, that one really matters. Again, why? Because tignan nyo siya, no? Ayan. This one are from your SOP, statement of the problem, no? And then further, they are related to significance of the study, no? Your questions. What's the significance of the study? It might be questions or statement. And then further research questions will be created based on those, no? And then further, tingnan mo sila Anna Faith, no? Okay, they already created a questionnaire, no? Okay. They already created a questionnaire having this, no? How often do you use English in school or in classes? So they have idea already that their Google form will be a Likert scale. Now, what is Likert scale? No? Answerable by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But hello, no? I will not accept this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They should be in uh, words, no? They should be in words. Though I figure out, no, the Google form, they have included that one. Sige, tingnan natin, no? Tingnan natin ito, ginawa nila. Okay, I do not like the idea that you say to your respondents, okay, for the following questions below, rate from 1 to 5 being lowest and highest. I do not like this, no? Okay, there can be, Likert scale is so specific, no? Because if you happen to actually introduce this, no, this is statement to your respondent, and choosing 1 to 5, okay, going from the word and going to the next page, okay, it's not convenient for your respondents to be going back here, no? To be going back here in this sentence, what is the value of 1? What is the value of 5? The highest, lowest? It's not that, no? And this one, lowest and highest, I do not approve of this, no? That's why I sent to you a while ago, no? What was that? A while ago, I sent to you this one. Hold on. The very example, sana ako. Nahihilo na si Sir Romel. Ang dami ko lang sinisend, no? Okay, this one, no? You do not want to actually present to your respondents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no? In every questions, no? Questions. No, do not. Okay, because I want them to be actually seeing every question. There must be choices like this one, the words, no? Because they can actually see, no, they are not quantifying there. Actually, no, this is though this is quantitative, but you see was this presented is like a qualitative, no? Because of the words, but this is quantitative, of course. This is Likert scale. Now, how do we do this, no? Tingnan natin. Ay my God. Parang Kailangan ko yata hold on lang, no? Ito tayo doon sa aking access. Wala kasing Google dito eh. Okay, tingnan lang natin to ha. Ito. Okay, yan, nahihilo na si Sir Romel, no? Okay, punta tayo sa Likert scale ko, no? Don't worry about this one not giving you number. I'll show it to you, no? How will this gives you number? Okay, let's have that one. And I do have your responses, right? Wow, so I do have this one now, no? But this is the Google Forms visual, no? This is the data now, no? You can actually analyze this one. 50, no? 50 refers to agree, okay? You can have this one. But further, no? We'll discuss, no? Aside from this, from the Google form, how other parameters or other measures could be actually played, no, in your analysis. Okay, like for this one, you can actually have that in the Excel. Okay, I click that one, no? Again, I click that one, this one, no? Responses, questions is there. And then this one is your responses. But I do want to study this, no? Aside from this, no? This one, this is a chart already, no? This is a chart already. Yeah. Talking about that question. And then I do want to study more about that. And this one should be converted into, okay, hold on. Nasaan na yun? Okay, converted into an Excel, no? Because this one is not yet. Okay, so again, this should be converted into, ano ba yun? Sorry. Ayan, paano siya magiging Excel? File, and then, okay, so ano yung Excel dito? Okay, download, okay, as Excel, okay? So I have that already. Okay, remember this one, no? Anong mali ako? Okay, sige, okay na yan. So remember this one, no? These are your answers out of 19. But I'll remove this because this was draft before, no? This row. Okay, this is now in Excel. Okay, this is now in Excel, no? Hold on, hindi pa yata Excel to. Okay, mas mabilis tong laptop ng bata. Okay, that is not Excel yet. This is the Excel, no? Okay, delete that one. Enable nyo siya. Enable nyo siya. So that is delete now. Now you see this one, no? How can you convert that as your number? Just copy that and then copy, no? Ang gagawin nyo dyan, co-convert nyo yan ng number. So, you're just going to be actually hiding this one. Hide. Actually, highlight, no? Highlight row or column. This is column. And then Control F. Okay, you'll replace it, no? So notice, no? Two words should be replaced first. It's strongly, no? It's a strongly agree. Okay? To be replaced by what? Strongly agree but should be 5, no? It should be replaced by 5. Okay, it's like that. Replace all. Check the strongly agree there, no? Okay, it will be changed into 5. Okay? And then, what's next after? Okay, strongly disagree. Okay, so you just add here disagree and then change. Of course, it's the opposite. It's 1, right? Replace all. Okay? So you see the progress of that. Okay, nawala na sila, no? And then, agree and disagree. Remember, there's agree in the word disagree. So, take first the disagree, no? Not the agree. So disagree is what? It will be We disagree. It's number 2, no? Because it strongly disagrees number 1. Number 1, 2. Okay, and then last, we still have agree, no? And then that is, of course, 4. No? Next to your strongly agree. That's 4. Replace all. And then last, of course, it's not. Are you listening? Okay. Are you taking it seriously? Oh, thumbs up kung hindi. Kung hindi, patay tayo sa inyo. No? Control F. No? I have their Control F. Kung hindi, patay tayo sa inyo. No? So, Control F. And then last will be the neutral, the word neutral. No? It is but. Okay, and then it is number 3. Okay, everything is replaced there if you notice, no? But I preserve this one, no? This column, having that those words and equivalent in quantity is that one, no? Naintindihan? Okay. So ang pinipress lang doon, it's Control F, no? It will show you find and replace. It's like that. Okay? So replacing neutral. Okay, highlight the column where you're replacing that one. Neutral and replace it with number. It's 3, no? Pero there's no neutral anymore there. There is, but number is already there. Did you get that? You can have this one, no? From your Google form, no? This one, copy paste it, and then this one will be your quantitative. Okay? Sige, thumbs up. Kung nakuha o hindi. Kung hindi, ewan ko na lang, no? Find, or for Control F, it's find, no? And replace. It's Control F in Excel. Okay. So you will be having a lot of data, no? Not just one question, but a lot of it, no? Okay, what if you do have this, no? I have this kasi. Hold on. Okay, makinig ng mabuti, no? Why are we using Likert scale? No? Bakit? Paano natin siya i-analyze? How do we analyze it? Okay, let's go to this one. Dapat hindi ko pinatay yun. So, okay lang siya. Sana ba ako? Nasa computer ko kasi yung isa pinatay ko lahat. Okay, hold on lang. I think it's here. Okay, sige. Yes, it's here. Okay, sige. I'll show you sample, no? How I can have a visual or data analysis for that, no? Tingnan natin to. Okay, this one. Oops. Okay, this should be there in the download, no? Again, this should be downloaded. Tignan natin siya. Okay, I'll show you this one. No? This is psychometry, no? For psychometric tests for those applicants applying, no? For these positions, and they have this attitude exam, no? Attitude exam, behavioral exam. Okay, in company, what matters most is the behavior, actually, no? Not the intellectual tests. Okay, though intellectual tests will talk about you, but attitude is the foremost, no? They will talk about you. Okay, let's have this one, no? Okay, I'll show you this one. These are the background informations, no, from those applicants. Okay, like for your respondents, this will be your backgrounds, up to you, no? And then created in here are the how many questions they are, but 15 questions, no? You see the 15 questions there. Okay, there will be broken, no? They will be actually grouped, not broken but group. This is broken questions, no? Okay, how? Okay, this one. In psychology, we have this one, no, as groupings or category. We have neuroticism, extroversion, openness. This could be replaced by you. This is score. This could be three parts of your significance of the study. No? Okay. This one is a question. Q1 of the significance of the study. No? Q2. Okay. Significance of the study. Q3. Openness is Q3 of your significance of the study, and etc. So you do not have this, no? This one anymore. Notice, no? They are being grouped. Okay, again, significance of the study, if you created questions there, and they are all parts of your questionnaire, the Google form, they should be there, no? Okay, like this one, Q1, Q6, and 11. Where's Q1, Q6, and 11? Oh, see this one now, no? Okay, there is but words there, but they are being, what do you call this? Given in quantitative measurement already, no? It's 1, 2, 3, blah, in that column. Okay? So it's 1, 6, and 11. There's that. 1, 6, and 11. So you see, what's 1, 6, and 11 in here, in this cell? They will be added. It means to say they should be added, no? Edit. Okay, that is added. Okay? So again, you will add that. Q1, Q6, and 11. Okay, are questions for your neuroticism. So for you, it's significance of study, no? It's 1. Okay, 1. One of the significance of the study. Okay, this one. Okay, let's say for example, Q1 to Q6 and Q11 will give you this one. What does that mean? It's 3, no? It's 3. So the meaning of that one is all of them actually chose 1 and 2 are the answers. They strongly disagree or disagree, no? Okay, why? Okay, because of this. Okay, let's have this one first now, no? Let's understand. Bakit ganun? Okay, bakit ganun? Okay? Sige, tingnan natin siya. Let's first make a, what do you call this, no? The value of the parameter as a whole. No, that's the verbal verbal, ang tawag doon? Ang tawag doon eh. Verbal, nasa isang desktop ko kasi, na pinatay ko yung desktop. Nakalimutan guys. Verbal interpretation, sorry. Okay, let's create first the verbal interpretation, no? We don't have that first. Okay, sige, gawin natin dito. Gagawa tayo ng 1, 2. Let's have the choice first, no? Choice. Okay. How many choices do you have or did you created for your respondents? Okay, ilan, no? So, gumawa kayo ng ilan? It's 3, no? Okay, 3 yun. Bakit ayaw yung gitna? Okay, sige, hayaan mo na yan. Okay, so ito ay 1. Okay, dapat nasa gitna ito. Sige, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Those are strongly. Okay, yan. Gawa tayo niyan. Okay, in Likert scale, we are to make a scale, actually, an interval, no? Strongly disagree. And then disagree. And then this one is neutral. And then this one is agree. And then of course, this strongly disagree, no? Okay, gagawa kayo niyan. You create that one. That will be your guide actually in the data analysis. So this one is agree. Okay, you see. These ones are your answers, right? Okay, you should be making a guide for your teacher, no? Your evaluator, me, like this. And we call it choice. Okay, we call that choice. Tanggalin natin yan. Dapat 1 lang muna. And then this one is, we call the verbal interpretation. Why? What are we doing actually basically, no? Okay, you check later on. And then this one will be your numerical. Why is there numerical ranking scale? Okay. Let's see, no? Ranking scale. We need this because it is actually recorded in the Likert scale, no? Okay. What is this? Okay, it means to say that there must be an interval from 1 to, okay, what's the interval? Because, you see, there is but thin difference between 1 and 2. There must be decimal there, no? Why? Because you check this one, no? Okay, this one. This is 3, no? That is 3. Okay. But if I'm going to be actually clicking this one, no? Sorry. Clicking this, what's the true value of this one? 3. Click. Okay, is it really 3? Okay, it's really 3. But what about the others, no? What about the others here? Are they really 3? Okay, they are. Okay, for the others, tingnan natin dito. Okay, again, no? All questions should be added, choices, and then divided by 3. Okay, divided by how many questions there? There are 3 questions there, no? So, tingnan natin to. Okay. So, it's okay. Hold on. Okay, hindi dyan. Okay. Why are we creating this? Because I'll show this one to you later on, no? Okay, we need this. Okay, how do we create this? You start with, okay, the others kasi will say if you create, wala naman tayong time. Okay, the ranking scale, it should be 1, no? Up to, or 2. So it's like that. 2. Okay, the others will say it's 0.08 daw. Or 0.80. Okay, just add 1. Ay, 0.80. Saan galing yung 0.80? Okay? Sabi nila, it's equals 5 choices minus your respondent will be choosing 1 over how many, no? Okay, how many choices? Okay, it will be 0.8, sabi dyan. Okay? Lalagyan natin ito ng parentheses. It's like that. So this one is actually 0.8. Okay? We are creating numerical scale, ranking scale, and it's like that. Okay, no mo, 0.8 siya, no? 0.8. Sabi nila, sige, punta tayo dito. Okay. Remember this, ha? Because if others might be giving a choice or choices that is more than 5, okay, you must remember this. Okay. So we start with 1, and then, okay, let's say for instance, sige, 2, and then 0.8. Okay, bakit siya 0.8? Because of this, no? Computation. 5 choices minus, out of 5 choices, you're choosing 1 and then divided by how many choices? It's 5, no? It's 0.8. So therefore, it will be just adding 1, this one, because you started with 1, no? And then the end of the scale is 0.8. Says there. Okay? So this one is 0.8. And then other researchers are saying equals, no? When you create this one, plus, okay, you are adding the 0.8. Okay? Tignan niyo siya. It's like that. But when you have the decimal of that, it's like this. Okay, you check, no? It's reaching 5 there. And then this one will be just to add, you just add this one, equals, and then just add plus 0.01. 0.01. Okay? Again, equals and then you just add plus 0.01. Ganyan pa tayong time. Okay, magiging ano na yan, okay? It will be, not this one. Click, comma, and then this one, no? 1.81. See? From 1. Okay, that is 1 up to 1.88. Ay, 1.80. And then, okay, tingnan na natin to. Lakihan na natin si Roman. Okay, that's how you make it, no? Tapos, sabi, i-add daw, no? So, 2 to. So, this is actually the scale now. So, what happens here, just copy that, and then, of course, no? You can create that. Okay, tingnan nyo siya, no? Eh, tama ba kaya ito? Okay. Tingnan natin, no? If it's 1, this one is the range from 1 to 1.8. 0.8, when you actually round them off, tignan nyo, no? Round off. Okay, round off natin. Tanggalin natin yung decimal. Anong ibig sabihin yan? What does that mean, no? From 1 to 2, it's no longer, no? 2 is disqualified. Should not be taken, no? So therefore, that number a while ago, no? Should not be taken. Okay, that should not be considered. So mali yung mga researcher, it's 1.8? No, because round off of 1.8 is 2 already, and this is 2, no? It's here, it's 2. So therefore, this is mali. Okay, this one, you see, check that one, no? It's gonna be rounded off. Okay, these 3, okay, there's a problem here now, no? And then this one. Okay, 2, round this off also. Sorry. Okay, round out off also. Anong mangyayari? Oh, 1 up to 2. No, there's a problem in here, no? And then this one, it's okay. This one, but this one, you do have a problem with the formula, no? That is why that is so wrong with others, researchers, no? They're introducing that. It's very wrong, no? To have this computation. That is why, if I am to actually correct that, that should be up to 49 only, no? And then this one is okay, no? Everybody is changing, and then this one is 1 point or plus 1. Okay, dapat ganyan. Why? Okay. Let's check, no? If I'm going to be actually rounding them off, you check, no? Oh. There is no, what do you call this? This range will actually jive in here, no? From what range? This one up to that one. 1 to 1, no? 2 to 2, 3 to 3, no? Having that decimal numbers. Did you get that? Ito po. That is the correct numerical ranking scale, not yung mga iba tinuturo kung ano pinagsasabi doon, no? Okay, are you following that? 12:32 na. Sige, I'll end up 12:35, no? We'll have this, no? You have to have this if you are to use Likert scale. Did you get that? Okay, we'll start from here. On Friday, we'll use this, and practically, we're going to be actually using this and apply, no? And create data, okay? Charts, and interpreting those questions, no? That seems to be under one umbrella, and that is significance of the study. Did you get that? So there is really importance, no? Of how you actually categorize your questions, no? That's why, sabi ko sa inyo, you use the methodological drafting, no? That question should be under one significance of the study. Okay, there are at least 3 significance of the study there that you should be answering. Okay, and you can answer that only with the use of this quantitative data. Hindi pwedeng manghula. Okay, so we'll go with that, we continue with using this one. Okay, and to use this one, there must be numerical ranking scale, and this one now is the numerical ranking scale, no? That I created, this one. Ito siya. Gagawa kayo niyan. Hindi pwede hindi kayo gumawa niyan. You'll create that, no? That should be wrapped up there. Okay, pwede yung ganyan, no? Ayan. Okay, magiging ganyan siya. Okay, so wala na to. Okay, ayan na yung numerical nyo. Mali yung tinuro na yan. So that's it, no? When you round this off, it should be giving you 1 to 1. 2 is to 2 up to 2. 3 up to 3. Okay, that is should be your, what do you call that one? Likert scale guide. No, this will be your Likert scale. What do you call this one? Your analysis should be based on this one because everybody is answering this one. Okay, and then we will be averaging there all of them. No, we will get the mean of those answers because they are so plenty. No, and then we'll find out. Okay, the mean choice. This is the average answers by all of your respondents. We'll have to have that. Okay, 12:35 now. We'll continue this on Friday. Okay. Okay na? Okay, sige. Siguro I'll send this to you and then tingnan niyo kung ginagawa ni Sir, no? I-analyze niyo din siya. But it's too early to send this. But I'll send this psychometric to you because this will be your guide, no? Though you are not actually psychologist there and you are not doing your research as psychologists, but you know, we're rated students. But this will be a guide, no? How do you actually group together your questions, having that significance of the study? It's like that. Ganun po siya. Nakuha? Sige. Nakuha. Okay, papunta na tayo sa Likert scale. Yun yung used known. That's why, no? We are identifying what questions are under this and under that because they will go together, no? And then finally, okay, if you will be asked, you will not be answering just one question, no? From your questionnaires, no, because you'll be answering all of those significance of the study, having all of those questions classified. Did you get that? Okay, sige. So, ang magiging ating attendance, ikaw na Yuka. Okay, you know what to do, no? Okay, capture everyone there. If they're not there, they are absent. Okay, go. We're close there, no? So, tsaga-tsaga lang. Bakit kaya si Sir, wala pa, no? Hindi pa siya nag-go signal, eh. Okay na yung aming Google Form. No, hindi pa, no? Masyado pang hilaw.